Sharing a Google Chat room in Google Classroom. Google Chat is a communication tool for class discussion and collaboration amongst students. It is important to first read the best practices in using this tool, so check out these posters on the Technology SharePoint site and share and review the class rules for using Google Chat. If you want your students to easily access the Google Chat room that you created, you can share a link. Every Google Chat room has a unique code. Click on the room and go to the URL window and click on the URL window to highlight. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then open up your Google Classroom, select the Classwork tab, and create a topic called Google Chat Discussions or something suitable for your classroom needs. Do this by clicking on Create and then choosing Topic and creating a name. After you've created a name and a discussion topic, then select Create Again and choose Material. Provide a title, perhaps Google Chat discussion link, and make sure to provide a description. Remember, the more explicit you are with instructions, the better for your students. You can set the parameters of when you want them to access the Google Chat room. Select Add and choose the link option. And press Ctrl+V as in Victor on the keyboard to paste the Google Chat room link that you already copied. Remember to link your material to the topic. Then post. Now the Google Chat discussion is at the forefront of your classwork, and you can also post an announcement reminding your students when you want them to post in the Google Chat room.